I see it. It's down here. Oh man, I'm actually getting excited. This is really cool. This is really cool. Deer in front of me. Oh, look, they're jumping in.
This behind me is Wakulla Springs State Park. Now you see, a lot of people come to Wakulla Springs for, well, Wakulla Springs. But if you head down this trail right here, this doesn't head towards Wakulla Springs. This actually heads towards a pretty sweet spot in my opinion. And where this trail leads to is called Cherokee Sinks. That's where we're heading.
So it looks like this is as far as we're gonna be able to drive. For anybody with a drinking problem, well, you're shit out of luck. I didn't bring much with me. I got a phone, bottle of water, the GoPro, and pepper spray, just in case we gotta like spray some animal in the face or some shit. But looking on the maps, it's gonna be about I don't know, half-mile walk down this road. So I guess it's not that bad. I'm starting to feel like I should have brought more than this pepper spray. I mean, I'm sure I'll be fine, but I mean, I'm walking in the woods by myself. I'm deep in the woods by myself. And honestly, like there could be anything out here. There could be black bears. Uh, you know, I don't think there's any panthers this north, but who knows? I don't know. I don't know what's out here. There could be anything. Bigfoot. Bigfoot could just grab me by the legs and just toss me. I don't know, man. Should have brought more than his pepper spray. I'm about like the same as like a skunk right now. Like I feel like a skunk. Like I have the same defense mechanisms. Like if something came up on me, I'm not fighting it. I'm just spraying it like I'm a skunk. Well, I guess this just happens when you go in the woods. You get knocked down a couple pegs on the food chain. Guys, after like 30 minutes of walking, we finally made it, I think. So apparently you can dive here, which is pretty cool. And there's also apparently in certain areas only cave diving will be authorized. So apparently there's cave diving too. So I mean, is there like is this just a hole into the ground? I see it. It's down here. Oh man, I'm actually getting excited. This is really cool. This is really cool. And it's like down in here too. You gotta like walk down in here. You gotta walk down these stairs. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, it is spiders. Whoa, guys. Whoa. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. And someone left some, was too generous, left us some rafts. I don't even want to know how deep this is. I don't know if I'm jumping in this. That's scary. I'm not gonna lie. What is just like a couple 100 feet hole? It's like in the ground, man. This is where you get to Middle Earth. Frodo, I'm coming. Monster bluegill right there too. No way. And a bass. Can you guys see him? He's coming up. Well, guys, I gotta say this is absolutely amazing and beautiful and breathtaking. Like, and I know that sounds cliche, but like, this is honestly something straight out of a movie. Like, imagine you were hunter-gatherer, you were part of the Indian tribes thousands of years ago, and you just stumbled across this, like, no wonder they call it Cherokee Sinks. This is probably where they did a lot of their business. It's probably a watering hole and a swimming hole, and probably just was really useful to them. Look, you can walk on this tree and kind of get a better look. Yeah, this was definitely worth the hike. I just lifted up my phone and there's a centipede under there. Man, we really are in the jungle. Let's go see if we can't try to walk around the other side of this lake. I'm getting pretty adventurous here by myself. I feel like I want to do it, but I also don't want to like get bit by a snake out here by myself. Let's go a little farther. Let's go a little farther, I guess. Right, guys? Why not? For the likes, right? Some people do stupid shit. I just go on these crazy adventures now for the likes. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, this would be a really good spot to jump off and just go yeet yourself into the water. And that's a far jump. This is like a 20-foot drop off right here. Should I do it? I don't know what's in this water. It's God knows how deep. It's just this random hole, but what's an adventure without putting yourself in, out of your comfort zone. So oh man, as soon as I was about to jump, these giant bubbles from down there just start popping up. Like, did I just awaken the beast, man? I'm nervous. All right, if I do this, you guys have to like and subscribe. Like, you have to like and subscribe because this, like, you guys gotta like and subscribe. That's all I'm saying. No way, I was literally about to jump and it's doing it again. Why? There's no other places these giant bubbles coming up except right here. What are the giant bubbles, man? What are these bubbles down? Oh! Oh, shit. I did it. And that was scary. I am not gonna lie. And if there is a monster down there, I just awoken it because this whole place is disrupted now. I never climbed up something so quick. All right, well, it was definitely 100% worth jumping in now. The only setback now is I gotta walk back in these wet sandy Crocs and about a mile trail, and that's not gonna be fun, but it is what it is. Well, we're gonna go to Wakulla Springs in a little bit anyway, so we'll be able to jump in there and get all the sand off me. Made it back to the SUV in one piece. The only thing is I got some rocks in my Crocs. Yeah, that was annoying. Should have just took those out earlier. Look, now there's another one. They just get in so easily. That's the problem. It's like I have been taking them out, but they just go right back. Rocks in the Crocs, but don't call me a crockhead. Annie Milonakis. All right, well, made it into Wakulla Springs. I took a nap because that hike and just kind of swimming around. Let's not call it swimming. Let's call it frantically jumping in and then jumping out immediately. But anyway, I took a nap after that because I was tired. But now I'm awake and we're gonna cook some chili mac MREs. So, because we spent a lot of money getting up here. Spent like from Tampa to Wakulla Springs. I mean, it was like $50 in gas just to get here, so try to cut back on spending money. So the only good way to cut back is to spend money on food and start making my own food. I've never actually made one of these things, but I think it should be pretty easy. I mean, it says add 1.5 cups of boiling water, stir carefully, and close zipper. How hard could that be? My problem is I just don't have a measuring cup, so I mean, how many cups of water is in one water bottle? It's a good question, right? I don't cook a whole lot either, so it's not like I know. I really don't know. I'm like, I guess that's a good, right? Like 3/4 of the water bottle. That's like a cup and a half, maybe a little bit more. Whatever. All right, well, as soon as this water is done boiling, I guess we'll pour it in this bag right here. Fun. Well, it says I do gotta take this thing out. Makes sense. Probably don't want to be eating that. I mean, it says do not eat, so yeah. Not seasoning, guys. Now we wait. As soon as this is like all done, I'm gonna pour the water in the bag and then bring all this back to my SUV, because for whatever reason I thought I was charging my GoPro while I was taking a nap, but it's only on like 37%, and that's not gonna fly while we're at the springs. But all in all, I mean, it's pretty simple making this stuff. I mean, the only way you can possibly, you know, mess this up is if you don't have a measuring cup like me, which I'm on a fast course to do. But you know, just don't be me and you'll be all right. We're just about boiling. It's almost there. I want to see me a roaring boil or a rolling boil, or is it roar? I have no idea. Yo, what's going on? It's like getting worse. We got enough fuel under there? Alright, I mean, this is practically boiling, right? I don't think we're gonna be getting a cup and a half to be rolling around. Alright. I think it's done here. Let's pour this in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where's my spoon? Mix that all around. Let's turn that out. Turn that off. Mix this concoction. This is like really soupy. I'm starting to think I put a lot more than a cup and a half. But all right, that's stirred up. Now we gotta seal it. Get this nice and sealed. Bada bing, bada boom. Give it a little shake maybe. And a little shake action. Okay, now it says wait 5 minutes, stir again, and reseal. All right, back in the car now. How's that bottom of the pan hot? No. I didn't put that on my pillow. That's not gonna burn anything. All right, back in the car now. Let this sit just a little bit longer. Ow, it's hot. This bag is hot. Woo! Hot potato. Give it a look. Let's give it a gander. Here's my spoon. Actually, it doesn't look too watery. One bite, everybody knows the rules. I feel like it's not ready yet. It was a little chilly. I don't know. Is this real meat? I don't know, what is this, dude? Oh yeah, is it good? Not really. Man. Alright, here's the thing. It's like, if anybody like told you this thing's good, like they're lying to you. But if like you were deprived of food in the desert and then you ate one of these things, then yeah, it's probably pretty good. But I mean, but like when you can go get McDonald's like 5 minutes away and you're comparing it to this, then no, it's like not good. But I'm trying to save money, so it's good in that regard. All right, well, down here in Wakulla Springs, it's hot, let me tell you. And ask me if I brought sunscreen. Ooh. I'll tell you what, guys, for it being such a hot day, as soon as you come in this water is, I mean, it is cold. I'll tell you that, it's chilly. It's probably because it's a spring, but it's cold. I almost don't even want to like jump in completely. That's how cold it is. I'm gonna have to get up on there and then just jump in. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. It's awesome. I don't know, I think they're mullet, to be honest. Yeah, I think they're mullet, but still cool to just see them. It's crystal clear water like that. I'm pretty sure you guys can see them. You just gotta send it. I'm gonna go swim over to that one now so I can get shots of people jumping off that giant ass tower. Well, back in the SUV now. I think I'm gonna put some dry clothes on and probably head on out of here and probably drive north up into Tallahassee, which is only about 30 minutes north of here, and do some DoorDash and get back all the money that I spent these last couple days on food and gas and etc. So, which has been about $100. It shouldn't be hard making $100 tonight in Tallahassee. And then I got something fun planned for tomorrow. I'm gonna just stay tuned, like, subscribe, stay notified for when I do drop that video. And yeah, hope you guys have a great summer, great day, great week, great whatever. Peace. Vehicle already got hijacked by this bug, dude. That, yeah, take that.